In today's video, I'll teach you how to buy Wendy's gift card online. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now in your browser, if you search for the Wendy's gift card, you'll be able to find various results over here. Within the results itself, you'll be able to find various methods to buy the gift card. You can see over here they're available in Walmart, Giftly, etc. Or you can also simply visit the specific website. You'll be able to find the gift cards for over 300 brands in the Kroger gift card. So for that, you can simply visit that website, or else you can also visit the websites like Walmart, Giftly, etc. And from there too, you'll be able to find the gift card. Here I'm going to visit the website Kroger. For that, what you have to do is click on the search bar and type in giftcards.kroger.com. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Kroger. Now what you have to do is click on this field, find a brand. Now simply search for Wendy's over here. Now after you do that, you can see over here, you'll be able to find the search results. You'll be able to find the Wendy's gift card over here. Simply click on the gift card. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the description over here. Also, you'll be able to select the range. You'll be able to find various options over here. You can click on the option of your choice, or you can simply click on this field and enter the range. Likewise, you'll also be able to find this question, who is it for? For a friend, for me. Simply click on the option of your choice. If you selected the option for a friend, you can see over here you'll have to enter the recipient name, your name, message, etc. If it is for you, simply click on this option, for me. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to add it to cart. Select the quantity. If you want to decrease it, simply click on the minus icon. If you want to increase it, simply click on the plus icon. After you do that, click on this option, add to cart. Now after you do that, you can see over here this particular gift card will be added to the cart. You'll be able to see the order summary over here. You'll be able to see the merchandise total, shipping, subtotal and promotional code. You'll also be able to see your total over here. Now what you have to do is click on this option, proceed to check out. Now you can sign up or log into your account, or you can also check out as guest. Here I'm just going to check out as guest. For that, click on this option, check out as guest. Now over here, what you have to do is provide your email address. After you do that, what you have to do is scroll down. If you have any promotional code, you can click on this option, add promo code, and add the promo code over here. Likewise, you'll also be able to find the field for billing information. You'll be able to find the payment methods like PayPal, Google Pay, credit or debit card. Simply click on the option of your choice. Now after you do that, you'll also have to enter the shipping address. First of all, enter the first name. Now likewise, enter the last name. Also select the country. Now enter the address line 1 over here. Likewise, enter the city. Enter the state. Also enter the zip code. Now finally, provide the phone number. Now after you provide all these, what you have to do is simply click on this option, place order, that you can see right over here on your screen. After you do that, your order will be placed and you'll receive your gift card. So like this, you'll be able to buy the gift card. If you want to buy the gift card from other platforms like Walmart, Amazon, etc., you'd have to follow the process of that particular platform and you'll be able to buy the gift card. So that is how you buy Wendy's gift card. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.